Hi, I'm Lucy Wahnsiedler. I was a 9-year 4-H member in Hamilton County and just finished my sophomore year of college. I am the co-project superintendent of the Achievement Resume Project because it was a very rewarding and successful project for me, and I helped run workshops for several years with my mom. The Achievement Resume Project helps 4-Hers build a resume portfolio that puts into writing all of their 4-H skills, experiences, and accomplishments. This not only makes you see just how much you are learning and growing as a person in 4-H, but it is also useful to apply for 4-H scholarships, college applications, job and volunteer applications, 4-H trip applications, and aids in personal interview skills. Personally, completing this project allowed me to easily copy and paste parts of my resume to earn a spot as an Indianapolis Zoo Team volunteer, get a job as a veterinary assistant, apply for and receive 4-H scholarships, college admission applications, and other scholarships as well. I still use my 4-H resume information to apply for special college programs and jobs. The exhibit in this project is a 3-ring binder with your resume, like this one. Each required section should be divided with page dividers like these, and the pages should be covered with a plastic page protector. There are different requirements for the 3 different age levels. Beginner for grades 3 to 5, intermediate for grades 6 through 8, and advanced for grades 9 through 12. So first, you want to decide on one category to make your resume about that reflects an area of your 4-H experience. You can choose from animal science, citizenship, communication, engineering and technology, healthy living, food and nutritional science, leadership development, and plant and environmental sciences. Your project experiences will come under one of these categories. For example, any animal project would be under animal science, and photography would come under communication. You can see a list in the handbook, or contact me if you aren't sure of what category to make your resume about. When you choose a category, you are able to and encouraged to build upon this resume each year. So once you begin the project, you just keep adding something every year to complete the resume by the time that you are done with 4-H. After you choose a category, you will identify a few life skills that you've learned from 4-H related to the projects that you are enrolled in. Life skills can include things like responsibility, teamwork, confidence, volunteerism, teaching, and many others. We also have this fun life skills wheel that is a great reference for other ideas. In the beginner level, you will exhibit a very short cover letter that tells a little story about your experience in 4-H and highlights one skill that you learned. Next will come 2 pictures showing you working on your 4-H projects to develop that life skill with 1 to 3 sentences explaining the picture. Finally, you'll include a copy of your My Record of Achievement pages from your record book. I'll link an electronic template for your ease of filling this out. In the intermediate level, you will exhibit a cover letter. For your resume portion, you will include your life skills. The number of required life skills are actually based on your grade, which can be found in the project rules. The resume should be a maximum of 1.5 pages. Additionally, you'll also add 2 pictures per year showing you engaged in your 4-H projects with a short description. Finally, you will also include a copy of your My Record of Achievement pages from your record book. In the advanced level, you'll exhibit a more professional, full-page cover letter. In the resume portion, you will include the life skills required based on grade with a maximum of 5 skills overall. The resume should be a maximum of about 2 pages, and although pictures are still encouraged, none are actually required. Finally, you will also still include a copy of your My Record of Achievement. Here are a few other important things for all levels to know. Number 1, be creative and spicy with your word choices. Personally, I like to use thesaurus.com and wordstouse.com to find the best word to represent my ideas. And number 2, as with any open judging project, it's always best to actually attend open judging. In this project especially, attending open judging means that you can clarify any information for the judge, learn from the judge, and practice interviewing based upon a resume. If you're in the upper levels, here are a few more things to keep in mind. When writing your resume, begin each bullet point with a past tense verb and try not to overuse any one verb. And statistics really, truly matter when discussing the impact of your experiences. Lisa Haney is a treasure trove of information about practically any statistics that you might need, like how many eggs that you stuffed for your community Easter egg hunt. I encourage everyone in 4-H, no matter what your favorite project is, to be a part of the Achievement Resume Project. It will definitely help you to know yourself better, make scholarships and any other applications so much easier in the future, and it can literally pay thousands of dollars in scholarship and job opportunities. If you have any other questions or want to chat, please feel free to call or email me. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.